Have you ever been curious about the intricate process behind the roads we drive on every day? Well, we are in far and enlightening journey. Whether you are a civil engineering student seeking insights, a competitive exam aspirant aiming to crack interviews, or a seasoned engineer curious about the art and science of road building, this video has something special for you. Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will share with you the detailed step-by-step process of road construction in India from planning to completion, with clarification and examples to help students better understand the road construction process in India. So before we dive into today's topic, if you will find value in this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Liking not only shows your support but also helps others discover the content. Your support truly means a lot to me. So if you think this content could be helpful to others, don't hesitate to share this video with your friends on your social media. And if you would like to be part of our growing community and never miss out on our future videos, simply like the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. It's your support that fuels our passion for creating informative and engaging content. Thank you for being here. So let's get started. So today we will discuss about road construction in India from planning to completion with step-by-step process. I will discuss with examples also. So step number 1, preparing the project plan. That means planning the road. The first step is to create a detailed project plan which includes the road's location, purpose, design and estimated budget. For that, we make a detailed plan for building the road. We decide where the road should be, what it will be used for like highway or local road and how much it will cost. We study the area where the road will be built to understand the land, soil and the environment. Conduct a thorough survey of the area to assess the terrain, soil quality and potential environmental impacts. We also think about how wide the road should be and how we will manage water flow and keep it safe. For that, we determine the road's width, alignment and any necessary provisions for drainage the safety. So, I will provide some reliable examples here. So, preparing the project plan. So, imagine you and your friends want to build a new pathway in your school garden. You plan where the path should go, taking into account the best route and how many people will use it every day. You also decide on the path's width and make a budget to buy the materials needed. So this is the example. Like this you have to plan while planning the road. Okay. This is the preparing the project plan or planning the road. So you have to design and estimate the budget and buy the materials needed. This is the preparing the project plan. That means this is the planning the road. This is the first step. Now next step, land acquisition and legal clearance. That means getting land and permissions. So acquire the required land for the road construction through negotiation or if necessary via government acquisition procedures. We need to get the land where the road will go. Sometimes we talk with people who own the land, and other times the government helps us get it. This is acquisition, land acquisition and legal clearance. Okay, sometimes the government helps us get it. So that means, now imagine your school garden is next to a small farm. Before building the path, you talk to the farmer and request permission to extend the path through a small part of the farm. If the farmer agrees, you can proceed. Otherwise, you involve the school principal to seek permission or make necessary arrangements. This is a simple example I am giving. Okay. So like that, you need to get the land where the road will go. Sometimes we talk people who own the land, otherwise government will help it. Before starting, we have to get special permission from the authorities to make sure we are doing everything legally and not harming the environment. So obtain all the necessary legal clearances, environmental permits and approvals from relevant authorities. This is compulsory. This is land acquisition and legal clearances. That means you have to get the land, getting land and permissions. This is the second step. Next, third step, designing the road. Third step is designing the road based on the survey data. Based on the survey data and project plan, engineers use special computer programs to design the road. They consider things like how many vehicles will use the road and how strong it needs to be. Engineers create a detailed road design using computer-aided design CAD software. So, I'm giving an example. Pretend you and your friends are playing with toy cars. You know toy cars? And you want to create a race track. You design the track with twists and turns, making sure it's wide enough for the toy cars to move smoothly. This way, everyone can have fun driving their toy cars on the track. Okay? So, this is the example. So, the design considers factors such as traffic volume, load bearing capacity and safety features. So, engineers create a detailed road design using computer-aided design CAD software. Then, the design considers factors such as traffic volume, load bearing capacity and safety features. Depending on the area, the road might have different designs to suit the needs. So, this is the step number 3. Now, step number 4. Earthwork and grading means preparing the ground. We have to prepare the ground also. So, clear the construction area of any existing structures or obstacles. Before building the road, we need to clear the area from any buildings or things that are in the way. So, think about playing with building blocks. Hope you all know about building blocks. If you want to build a tower, you need to ensure the surface is flat and stable. Similarly, you level the ground where the path will be so that it's even and doesn't have any bumps. Okay. So, excavate and level the terrain to achieve the required road gradient and cross sections. Means we have to level the ground so that the road won't be too steep or too uneven. So, this is the step number 4, means we have to prepare the ground, earthwork and grading. Now, step number 5, subgrade preparation means making a good foundation. So, foundation should be good and strong like a building. So, compact the earth to create a stable subgrade which serves as a foundation for the road. So imagine you want to build a sand castle at the beach. Before piling up the sand, you pat down to make it strong and steady. For the path, you compact the ground and add a layer of hard stones or gravel to make a strong base. Okay, so for the path, you compact the ground and add a layer of hard stone to gravel to make a strong base. Just like a strong house needs a good foundation, a road also needs a good one. You make sure the ground is stable and strong to support the road. So we have to make the good foundation. Foundation should be strong. Now drainage installation, step number 6 means taking care of water. It is a very important step. We build drainage system to manage water. This helps to prevent flooding and keeps the road from getting damaged by water. So taking care of water means think about playing with water on a rainy day. If you dig a small trench, the water flows away and you can keep playing without getting wet. Similarly, you install a drain under the path to channel rainwater away so the path doesn't get flooded. Hope you understand. You can see in the picture also I have provided. So, the path doesn't get flooded. Okay. So, install a proper drainage system including culverts and stormwater drains to prevent waterlogging and erosion. This is the step number 6, drainage installation. Now step number 7, subbase and base course construction, that means building the road layers. So we start by putting down layers of materials to make the road strong. It's like building a sandwich. Each layer plays an important role in making the road sturdy. So, lay the subbase layer, typically made of aggregates or stabilized materials, to enhance the road's load-bearing capacity. So, think of baking a cake. You put one layer of cake, then some cream, again then another layer of cake on top. For the path also you put layer of different materials like stones and asphalt, one on top of the other. Okay, stone then asphalt, like this, one on top of other you have to do in case of road. On top of the subbase, add the base course layer which provides further strength and stability. So this is subbase and base course construction, that means building the road layer. This is step number 7. Now step number 8, choosing the road material, that means asphalt or concrete pavement. So you can take asphalt or concrete pavement depending on the area and budget. Also the project specification we choose whether to use asphalt or concrete pavement for the road surface. You can see in the picture, this is asphalt and this is concrete. Okay, asphalt and concrete you can see in the picture. Now choosing the road materials means imagine building a model with clay or play-doh. Depending on whether you want a smooth surface or a strong one, you choose the right material for the path. You decide whether to use asphalt for a smooth surface or concrete for a durable and robust road. Hope you understand. This is the asphalt you can choose or concrete pavement. So compact and smooth the pavement to ensure a durable and even surface. This is step number 8. Now step number 9, road markings and signage, means painting and signboard. Okay, road marking and signage Means painting and signboard. It is also very important, like traffic signals we need to provide. So we paint the road with markings so that people know where to drive, and we add signs to guide them. Okay, this is signers. So this is step number 9. Think about playing a game with friends, and you need to mark boundaries so everyone knows where to play. On the path, you paint white lines to show where pedestrians and vehicles should walk or drive. You also put up signs just like you put up signs in a board games to indicate directions and warn people about any dangers ahead. So this is the example just I am giving. So like that, apply road markings including lane lines, pedestrian crossings and symbols to ensure safe traffic flow. So these are traffic signals and markings in the image you can see. So this is step number 9. Install traffic signs and signals for proper guidance and regulation. This is very important. For proper guidance and regulation, you have to install traffic signs and signals. Now, step number 10. Landscaping and safety features, means making it look nice and safe. So, we make the road looking attractive by planting tree and adding greenery along the roadside to enhance the road's aesthetics and reduce environmental impacts. Okay, to keep environment safe, keep everyone safe, we incorporate safety features such as guardrails, cross barriers and reflective road studs. So imagine your school garden is having a picnic. You are having a picnic and you decorate the area with flowers and decorations. Similarly, you plant trees and add greenery along the path to make it beautiful and eco-friendly. To keep everyone safe, you install sturdy handrails and reflectors at the edges. Okay. So roads aesthetic means roadside enhance to roads aesthetics to reduce environmental impacts. To keep everyone safe, we incorporate safety features such as guardrails, grass, barriers and reflective road studs. You can see in the image. Next, step number 11. Quality control and testing. Quality control and testing, that means checking the quality. This is also very important. Regularly inspect and test the construction materials and processes to ensure compliance with standards and specifications. So this plays very important role. Think about checking your school work before submitting it to the teacher. You want to make sure there are no mistakes. Engineers do the same for the path. They regularly inspect the materials and construct to ensure everything is of high quality, just like a teacher checks your work to accuracy. Okay, this is just examples I am giving you to understand. So regularly inspect and test the construction materials and process to ensure compliances with standard and specifications. While building the road, we regularly check the materials and the work to make sure it meets the standards. This is step number 11, that is the quality control and testing, checking the quality. It plays a very important role. Now, step number 11, that is final inspection and opening. So, conduct a final inspection of the completed road to ensure all requirements are met. That means, imagine you and your friends organize a play at school. Before the big day, you rehearse and practice to make sure everything is perfect. Engineers do a final inspection of the path, like same, making sure everything is safe, and we built Once they are satisfied, they open the path for everyone to use, just like the grand opening of a school play. This is the example I am giving. So conduct a final inspection of the completed road to ensure all the requirements are met. Means before we let people use the road, we do a final check to be sure everything is good and safe. Once approved means once it's ready, we open the road for public use. This is delivered to public use. This is the final inspection and opening. Next, step number 13, maintenance, taking care of the road. Regular maintenance and repairs are essential to prolong the road's lifespan and ensure safe usage. Imagine having a favorite toy that you want to play with every day. To keep it in good condition, you take care of it, clean it, and fix any small damages. Similarly, the road needs regular maintenance like fixing cracks and potholes to keep it safe and usable for a long time. So after the road is open, we need to maintain it regularly. This means fixing any damages, filling potholes, and making sure it stays in good condition for a long time. So these are the 13 steps of good road construction in India from planning to completion. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and I would love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any topics you would like me to explore in future videos. So please leave a comment. So thank you for watching.